Today, I'll show you how to set a minimum and maximum order amount in WooCommerce. First, open your WooCommerce dashboard, go to the Order Limit plugin and click Add New Rule. A new screen will appear. Here, enter the rule name, select the rule type, and choose the product type. Then, select the product you want to apply the limit to. Now, set the limit. In this example, I selected lip shades and set the minimum order amount to 200. Choose whether you want the rule based on quantity or amount. Here, I'm selecting amount. Click Publish to save and enable the rule. In the rules list, you'll see a list of all the rules along with their enabled or disabled status. Next, open your store and add just one lip shade to the cart, priced at $45. An error message will appear. Lip shades. Minimum amount must be greater than 200 and less than infinity. This message appears on the shop page, cart page, and checkout page. When you update the cart amount to 200 or more, the error disappears, and you can place the order successfully. To set a maximum order amount, check the Enable Maximum Limit box and enter a value, for example, 500. Click Update, then return to your store. Now, if the cart amount is less than 200 or more than 500, you'll see an error message. Lip shades. Minimum amount must be greater than 200 and less than 500. When the order amount is between 200 and 500, no error will appear, and you'll be able to proceed to checkout and place the order successfully. Thank you for watching.